There's a difference between what? A politician and a leader. A leader is somebody who understands the people. Politician is somebody who understands who brought him to power.
Some of our mothers and some of our fathers becoming useless. Now, are you hearing? There is so much less. I'm even becoming speechless right now because our country is becoming less. The same thing. Where is the proof? You have a blessed land. You people have $192 billion worth of oil, gold, platin, and farmland.
Now, a branch of Kasoya politics. One Kasoya politics. Was so a leader. Men so me a leader. To be a leader, be a Sawoya Utanish. Meme catch a branch and your men who are home, coming Nkrumah, Rawlings Kratanachi, a rather Kratanachi. Or yet, send your year David. Power. Or yet David. Yes. Or yeah, wine. David. Okaso Ebom. Aye, the OKBSC. Now, wow, Uber Sonia Tiano. Amen.
Sabi yenye robots, yenye nipa yagin. For over 4 decades, close to 40 years, NPP NDC. Omuntimi sisa mo shabra, mu hunyansa says here dani kakra. Hey, ada ye bo party bi mo biara. As at the before so many years, who say it's time to change?
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposed. Subscribe to my share. It's not challenge time. Chada on a volta region or cancer. You see, maybe I make us for a leader to solve a problem. So, maybe what the problem is. Osigana, a pro way in our why identify some TV problems are of course a bit yeah, I'm tears to these are the things that are killing us.
So I've been around over 150 constituencies, and every constituencies I visited about five to six of electoral areas. Guess what? This country has 7 problems. This country is jobless. It's not just hope. And it's not just Accra or Kumasi, it's the whole country. Yes, they're jobless. Okay, that's one. We have the biggest currency issue. The money is valueless. Okay, and then 3, apart from the money being valueless, I saw the people becoming hopeless. Yes, listen to me carefully. Listen. I saw some of our mothers and some of our fathers. Listen to me carefully, young people. Some of our mothers and some of our fathers becoming useless. Now, are you hearing? There is so much less. I'm even becoming speechless right now because our country is becoming less. No value. And you know what? I want to tell you guys this. I wanted to say this so you can feel the pain of this country. But I want you to be rest assured that yesterday's problem is going to become tomorrow's opportunity. Because now I know, yes, now I know I have work to do. Now I know. All right, hold on, let's listen. Okay. If I didn't see all this hopeless, useless, and valueless, and less, I wouldn't have known that this journey that I've embarked on is truly a journey that I need to live for. and die for. Because I cannot watch my people fall. I cannot watch them get destroyed. I can't watch them become hopeless.
Yes.
I can't watch them become useless.
Never.
We are going to come together before this Christmas.
Yes.
We are about to take them.
You see, such a leader is supposed to know the problem and then bring solutions to it. A leader only problem, this MPP, they don't even know our problem, and they don't even have the solution. Because if they know the problem, they will know, say, promise is not more promise. No, that is not the solution. 24-hour and yes solution. Digitalization said and yet the solution. The solution is the foundation is not even there. You may be your kind of person. First of all, job. And you man named and then man named young guys up to damn a big boss pan, Passia Juma, Sa, a bim the MPPNDCT, Chobo, nobody actually, a big number yam, Passia Juma no more yet, and yet my papa dear, then you send for me to find here. Are these jobs? In Passia country, jobs in Ethiopia, sorry, a Juma from Yano yet, a Juma Yansen, no yet. That's the first problem. We don't have jobs. How do you create jobs? There are stuff that you need to do to create jobs. First of all, the interest rate in this country is absolute madness. Number two, the inflation is over. Listen, US 3%, almost bottom out. Ghana's inflation is around 27%, and we are still mad people. These are things which create jobs, and they are not there. The private sector is not being helped to bring jobs. I'm telling you, the second one is what we call currency issues. Check. US, the $1, the value of it has been the same for God knows how long. Ghana, when your friend is saying, Jay before and buy your snow, Sikam is saying, oh, banks are and also do, you change your 92 pesos to $1. J.A. before to now, it's about 16 years. Am I? And I think 24 years or something. Yeah, it's 24 years. Now, 24 years down the line, now, the 92 pesos has gone up to 17 cedis to the dollar. 80, whatever it is, told that time, no, it has what? Eroded. For Ghana to solve our problem, no, we need to have what we call a stable currency. And we are not having it. Now, me, what you say, that should be on a stable currency. Because where there is stable currency, it means that I don't think it's going to increase in what? So many months. And then you're top four, about 15 cities. If the city was around 5-6 cities, how much would the floor be? That should be the thinking. They say, buy here, now 4 cities. What jump to 17 cities? Mr. Obi very soon we'll be buying dollar for 100 cities. I'm telling you. Meanwhile, it will go. The basic line is that your currency near one is valueless. Valueless. Oko Nigeria higher. Yes, it can somebody here do one because yes, it doesn't have value. You can't buy anything. The next one to another cause what? Hopelessness. And now you're who a branch above power. Now who cost you are hopeless in going to the school. You are hopeless in finishing because we are too many more. They will perform a government investing. First class, second class, 1 year, 1 and a half. Because the jobs are not there. It may be show. Now, that change is no more there. Oh, yeah, or fear. So there's no hope for tomorrow. That is another thing that we need to know. Now, the other thing I can say, parents are becoming what? Useless. And now you're way in Columbia Bresham. In Columbia Bresham, parents ain't me walk on my champ so. Near Columbia, no, yeah, because who parents, you know, the role of parenting, as a guiding Columbia, is no more there. Because Sabi Akolano, who have parents, you know, common them. So how do you take care of the kids? It's a Colanico, and at the end of the day, no, you can't even correct a child. That is another problem. That's what affects her. And the last one, the country has no value. Tell me the value of Ghana today. Ye ovalian country to say Sudan. Eshagana. Can't you send Niger normally a wardrobe? Can't you say see Congo, no more Shagana. The country has gone to its lowest. I'm telling you, say Ghana has become what we call a laughing stock. The star of Africa, it's the doom of Africa. And when yet, it's a shady when you are about I say Ghana, Volta region. It's time to change your mindset.
Thing for us to do is to get rid of them. Let's vote them out. Okay? 40 years in you. Una la tua bane momo. O papa tua bane momo. O suabe tua momo. O baba ye the same thing. This one say from una nana. Where is the proof? Abana mututu ya no. Emfasone wosono. Mumfa nchirebe. Emfasone wa hefa. Awayifa. A region here is one of the best regions in the whole of Africa. The biggest man-made lake is in Volta. You have a blessed land. All you dance in Volta Lake. All let them. You people have $192 billion worth of oil, gold, platinum, and farmland. The Volta Lake is the only lake that connects to every part of Ghana. Me say, Ghana I could pay another region. Ghana electricity, 70% every voter has it. One a year lake in Mamu. 1 year dam in Mamu.
Yeah, also Volta region. Adia no year 1 way and a year Danimuka kra. Sabi ye robots. Ye nipa ye gain. It's for over 4 decades, close to 40 years. NPP NDC. Omuntimi sisa mo shabra. Mu hunyansa says ye danika kra. Hey, ada ye bo party bi mo biana. As at the before so many years, who say it's time to change? Because so maybe Sawuma obiya comfortable. No, Philip say anything that I do, you vote for me or Jimmy Chirel. But now say who say Charlie, Nipola Green Sisano, someone who say it's time to wake up. Some of their pronouncements are what unrealistic. It doesn't see light of day because Oba or so when you come to your bar, you come to me. That is the constitution I'm talking about, a bogus constitution. Constitution that the president is not accountable to anybody. Now, man, to your best spiritual, you because spiritual mupa. Chada, why does he want to be a president? Listen to this man of God.
Now, a branch or casual politics. One casual politics. Was so a leader, men so me a leader. To be a leader, be a so we are politics. I'm talking about my children up here, outside there, the youth outside there. I'm talking about their future.
Yes.
Mommy, papa, their future is good though.
Oh yes.
But I'm on your phone say on future no. Me catch a branch and you men who on the whole palm in Nkrumah home. Rawlings Cratanachi. Oh, a rather Cratanachi. Someone to a mano. Me himself you in there. Onya so benya biana consider being a nyamia. Or best the nurse you know. Already prepare no power obe mudi agro na ade na nyame de be ma no timi de ma no this week one here obe break NDC power Nyankopɔn say wɔyɛ ne sɛ nea ɔyɛ David power wɔyɛ David
yes
wɔyɛ hwan
David ɔka so ɛbɛ mu deɛ ɔka bi asi
na wo a wobɛsɔre atia no Awurade sɛ ɔbɛgye wo nkwa mfiri no so amen ɔne tumi na de ne nam o ayɛ a wohu no enti mu ni ani
I say Chada is not a politician but a leader. Let me tell you, there's a difference between what? A politician and a leader. A leader is somebody who understands the people. Politician is somebody who understands who brought him to power. That is the difference. It is Chada or Yobia. He understands the people. He is not somebody who is being what? Promoted by anybody or say, I don't belong to any party. I am not financed by anybody. So I am my own man. That is the kind of mentality we need to go forward. Yeah, not this mentality. Not mentality, full mentality. NDC, MPP, young Kobebia. I expose GH Patch members. Also subscribe here. Subscribe, man. Be the tumpa. Now, I can be manual.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.